Did you know that you're gonna need different types of shovels for your drainage project? You're gonna need at least 3. These are the most common shovels that we have. We have multiple sizes of the different ones. This is your transfer shovel. It's called a transfer shovel because it does that. It's made for transferring material. So typically loose material that has a flat bottom where you can get underneath it. Use this for scooping up underneath it, and that's just to help you get things off of concrete or even off of grass without tearing everything up. You're just trying to move loose material. This is something that's gonna be more in your finished product at the end of the project when you're trying to move the dirt off of and clean off the job site. Also, if you have bulk material coming in, so whether you have bulk rock or bulk sand or something like that you're using for your French drain, you're going to use this and you're going to scoop at the bottom, on the very bottom to get underneath the material. You'll pick it up and you'll transfer it to where you need to, wheelbarrow or something like that. This one right here, it's a really muddy example of it. We have a couple more in the truck back there. This is called a border spade. This is going to be your primary tool for doing drainage. This is what you'll see us using most of the time because you can get a good grip on it and you have your foot, you can get on it and put a lot of leverage into the ground. This is what you're going to be digging your trench with. So the way that this works, you're going to use 2 things for digging your trench. You're going to use the border spade here. This is going to be cutting your trench. You're not really going to be taking out too much dirt with it. You'll take out what you can, but when you cut your trench, you're primarily using this to break up the soil. So if you're able to, once you cut part of your trench to get it out with one motion, go ahead and do it. But because of its short size and the way that it's designed, you're going to be cutting your trench with this, and then you're going to clean out your trench with a trench shovel. So this shovel is specially designed to hold it, to scoop out so you can be in a standing position and scoop out your trench. So after you've cut it with your border spade, so you cut it with your border spade, clean it out with your trench shovel. And these 2 things together will really make your job a lot easier, but you're gonna need them. If you just go in with a regular shovel, you're gonna have a crappy trench because the regular pointed shovel is gonna be too wide to really get into the ground and do what you need to do, especially here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And then you're not gonna be able to clean it out right because you're gonna be constantly hitting the sides and everything. So this is much wider than this. You see, this is narrower. This is a wider version. There's narrower version. So we have longer ones of these and shorter ones of these, and the same for this. So because we just need to, in different times, different places, different depths of trench, just require different tools. And some of our guys are taller and some of them are shorter. So that's why we have different shovels. But you see, this is how many guys we have on a project, is with how many shovels we have. So if you're going to be DIYing your project, make sure you have the right tools. So don't skimp on them. I'll tell you, you see the blue stuff back there? I'm not going to name them, but they've really gone down in their quality, and it makes it very frustrating to have a shovel break on you midway through the project, even if it does have a lifetime warranty. I'd rather just have a shovel that's gonna last. But that's kind of the decisions we make because we need it to last. You just need to make it last your project. If you have a drainage project in Charlotte, North Carolina, and you're wondering on whether or not you want to do it yourself, go to drainmylawn.com or call us at 704-489-3444.